Alright guys, Ask a Felon back with another one for you. Figured I'd try to drop a couple of little credit card companies that I was approved for once I got out of prison. First one of them would be First Premier credit card. That's like a $300 limit. And when you go to fill out the information, they're going to ask you how much you make per year, what if you're self-employed or anything like that. At the time I got approved, I was self-employed and I was making 50,000 a year. That would have been what my pay was for that year, 50,000. So in the annual income, I had to put in my $50,000 is what I made, and I was approved for it. The Fit card was a $400 limit. It's FIT. It's Fit. It's a red card, red and black. Fit card is a $400 limit. Capital One Platinum, everybody always gets approved for that. It's a $300 credit limit. And then once you get approved for the Capital One Platinum card, you can get a Kohl's Capital One card. That's got a $300 credit limit. There's Menards credit card. About 75% of people get approved for that. Rush card. It's just plain Rush, RUSH card. That right there, about 85% get approved for that. Total, just Total, TOTAL Visa. That right there, I think is a $300 or $400 credit limit. And Credit One, that's a $300 or $400 credit limit. If you sign up for them and you get approved for them, that's going to help you build your credit. So I figured I'd throw them out. I was approved for these as soon as I got out of prison. I was making 50,000 a year was my annual income. So with that being said, if you get anything from this video, please hit that like, comment, subscribe. If you get approved for this credit card, I feel like you should at least give me a subscribe. I'm trying my hardest here to get some more subscribers so I can go into details of my crimes, the judges, how they pulled strings, how the corrupt things with the mayor. Got quite a bit the story going to, but I got to get up to more than 40 subscribers. I'm trying to reach a goal of 500, so I figured this right here would help a lot of people. That's not a very high credit limit, but it will help you if you ain't got nothing. And it helps you build your credit to where once you pay them off, you're able to, every time you pay them off and you keep your payments up, you're able to get a higher credit limit. But the number one I start with is a Credit One Platinum. I mean, not Credit One, the Capital One Platinum. That's the one you want to go for first. Capital One Platinum credit card, $300 limit. And then once you get approved for that, you can apply for the Kohl's Capital One card, which is also $300. And then after that, you go for the Fit. That's a $400 limit. And then Credit One and First Premier. Them right there are the ones that almost everybody gets approved for. So go ahead and try it out. If you get approved, come back and hit that subscribe for me. That being said, see ya.